Hello, good morning everyone. Namaste. This is Vandana Gupta. Welcome to Fitta. आज हम एक ऐसी प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि ना सिर्फ हमारे देश की बल्कि पूरे विश्व की प्रॉब्लम बनी हुई है, ओबेसिटी। कौन से ऐसे कुछ आसनास हैं जिनको करने से ना सिर्फ इससे दूर रहा जा सकता है बल्कि इससे निजात भी पाई जा सकती है। Let's start with our first asana, Uttanasana. To start with, keep your legs hip width apart, parallel to each other. That's very, very important. Inhale, take your arms overhead. As you exhale, start bending forward from your hip joint, not from your back. If you think this is your limit, stay here. If you want to go down, with inhalation, with every inhalation, lengthen your spine. With every exhalation, go deeper in your posture. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, go deeper. Once you reach to your limit, keep your palms right beside your feet. Your crown is facing down, your face is facing towards your shin. Stay there. One of the wow posture for your abdominal muscles. Very, very good for your digestive tract, your liver, spleen, kidney. It's fantastic asanas for all of that. How to get out of this asana? Bend your knees a lot, drop your hips. Tuck your chin to your chest and roll up as slow as possible. And at last you will take your chin up. And this is how we release this posture. Let's start with our second asana, Dandasana, Kumbhakasana or plank pose. What exactly plank pose does to your body? Actually, it's a good posture for your whole body. It is very good for your core. So core, I don't mean only your abdominal muscles, but it is very good for your back also. इससे आपकी आर्म स्ट्रेंथ भी बढ़ती है, आपके शोल्डर्स की स्ट्रेंथ काफ़ी बढ़ती है और ये काफ़ी अच्छा है आपके पैरों के लिए भी. So let's start with our कुंभकासना और दंडासना. दंडासना को करने के लिए stand on your knees, go on your all fours. Your wrist should be under your shoulders. Take your right leg back and then your left leg back. दंडासना. यहाँ पर आपको कुछ चीज़ों का खास ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि आपका जो गेज है वो या तो आपकी हाथों के बीच में हो या फिर probably couple of inches ahead of it. Try not to look forward like this. That's a lot of compression on your cervical. Don't drop your chest down. Push your shoulders away from your ears. And stay here for as long as you can, at least for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Shift your body weight towards your hands a lot. Exhale and release. So this is how we do our Dandasana or plank pose. Let's start with our third asana, which is Naukasana. That is again focusing on your core, belly, back and everything. Let's start with that. To do Naukasana, sit with your head, neck, trunk aligned. Your legs angle has to be like a hut or an inverted V. If you want to shift your hips back a little, you certainly can. Lean a little back and take your legs up. Take your arms also up. Here, your legs should not go real up or real down. It has to come actually in line with your forehead. This is very good asana for your belly. Actually, this sets your core on fire. I can feel it already, believe me. You can hold this posture for as long as you want, at least for 30 seconds. Stay here. The variation I'll tell you, if you feel this is too much for you, you certainly can bend your knees. Open your chest, stay here. Or you can support like this also. It's fine to support yourself at times. Or you can straighten and support. That's perfect and nice. But there is actually one thing which I really want to focus on. Try not to collapse like this. You have to open your chest. So if you feel that because of your hands straight in front of you, you are collapsing in your thoracic region or upper and the middle back, what you have to do is open your chest, take your hands back. It's fine. It's completely alright. Look ahead. Point your toes outside. Or you can flex whenever you feel like if you want to work a lot on your squats. Bend, come down and hug yourself once. Tuck your chin to your chest and exhale completely. Inhale, up and release. We are through with Naukasana. So these were 3 simple asanas for you just to get rid of your obesity, but these are not just for the obesity. There are plenty of benefits of yogasanas. If you want to know more about yogasana benefits, their contradiction, do's and don'ts, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.